Alright. Alright guys, getting to the first round of this regional online tournament. Got going against a future turbo box. Or hands turbo box, whatever, or hands turbo, whatever you want to call it. So let's get their deck list up. Alright, so best of 3 rounds. We'll go here. Wait. Well, nest ball, chin pal, attach, treat, chin pal, iron bundle. Shivery chill for 2. Earthen vessel for 2. Word. Pokestop. Okay. Loss of a barrel. And then we're iron bundle, get that out of the active. And intern. So we want is a Ultra Ball rare candy. Yeah. I think we're doing okay. Or do we want a Buddy Poffin rare candy? Feel like we want a Buddy Poffin, maybe? We do have Prime Catcher. We'll see what we top deck. Yeah, it's not what we wanted. Not what we wanted. Actually, did you misplay? Okay. Were you gonna get more crowns? I feel like they misplayed right there. Okay. So let's attach, retreat, shivery chill, ciphers for a rare candy Ultra Ball. Yeah. Pokestop. For here. Get a Vax. Here. We'll knock out their Iron Hands, which is their main attacker, and take the knockout. And we already have a good lead. That is good news. They haven't got another Chin Pao and a Bidoof. And all of our energies except for what? 1? So I think I'm gonna put another Chin Pao down. It depends on what do they put down. Yeah, if they put down another. Iron Hands. I'm going for that Iron Hands. Okay. I'm going to go for the Iron Hands that has energy on it. Okay. See what we top deck here. Okay. Let's Pokestop. See what we get. Ooh. Okay, let's go here. Get 4 Prime Catcher. We'll Shivery Chill just to see what we got in the deck. Okay. Go here, knock this out. Alright, let's get our 2 prizes. Sweet Pokegear. I mean, get an Irida. I haven't used a single Irida, so they must be all in the deck. That was a good play. Let's see, what do I need? Put go here. Go here. Get some energies. Back. Go here. Put the energies on the Chien Pao. Go here. Get these. Attach. Here. Retreat. Thank you very much for the 2 prize cards and win round 1. Nice. Alright, I think that's the right play. I think that's the right play. Sorry guys, I had to mute myself for a second. So yeah, we took round one. Round two is not the best hand in the world. I had an Ultra Ball away, energy retrieval, and Iron Hand. So I'm hoping that doesn't mess me up later. So I just got to be very conscious of my energy right now, because I don't want to be losing my energy. I do kind of like this hand better just because I do have, they always have the turn one attack. And they're juiced up already. Alright, so they will be set up now with Iron Hands. And they'll be able to take me out. Okay, let's go here. Let's go here. Top deck Irida. Let's see what's in prizes. Another Doof. The one electric energy I need is in there. So Chien will go down. Let's go ahead and get the energies out of the deck. We'll attach here and in our turn. There's not much I can do. Hopefully they don't have a capsule to move it. If they don't have a capsule to move it, that'd be the best. But man, it would be perfect to get a bundle and they put up the Iron Hands. Okay, that's fine. Because one energy's in the discard anyway. But okay. I gotta put Chien up because she's gonna take me out. How many bosses they play? 2. Go ahead and get Buddy popping out. See what's out there. And in turn. I'm bricky right now. Yeah. We'll see what I can do, but it doesn't look very good. So they did whiff their electric generator, but he'll be able to knock me out. Okay. This is fine if we can get something we need, but get these back. Have a lovely top deck. Okay, that's kind of what we needed. So I really need a Chien. Maybe go here. Go here. 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 Hyperbur lower. And then intern. Yeah, there's not much I could do there. Come on. Need a killer opening hand. We gotta win this round. Come on. That's not what we needed. Yes. We needed that. We needed the mulligan. Please, top deck a Chien Pao. Whoa, we need more than a Chien Pao, though. That's one thing we needed. Come on, Chien Pao. Come on, Chien Pao. Come on. Oh, man. This is not looking good, guys. Come on, brick. Come on. Got a Chien Pao. Okay. Okay. Woo! Have the knockout. Okay. Rare candy. Okay. Chien Pao. Here. Attach. Treat. Here. Here. Alright, so we need at least a rare candy. And another Chien Pao. Rare candy. Oh, Chien Pao, right? Yes. And Chien Pao, go here. Prime Catcher, the Iron Hands. Chien Pao up. Shivery Chill. Get these two. Super Cold onto these two. Save the one for Greninja for draw. And Amphi, and not Amphi very much. Take this out with these four. And there's one Iron Hands down. Take these prize cards. How many energies are in this card? 6. So I feel like we want to super rod some back. Okay. Definitely do think we want to super rod some back because they're most likely going to get their Miraidon out here and Iron Hands. I need to do some prize checking because I haven't prize checked at all. They have an energy. They do. They always do. Okay. Why do they have fighting energy? Do they play something that... Oh, iron boulders in their deck. Okay. Okay, nest ball for... You know, I think we nest ball here for that. I think we shivery chill. Yeah, I think we put it back. Let's put back 3. Shivery chill. Got 2 there. So I got the knockout. Got here. So next turn I want here and maybe Irida. Or maybe Pokestop. So we'll take this out just because we need to. We don't have any other way to gust up the Iron Hands. And let's just hope they do not have the card we need. And that kind of sucks that I put Pokestop on the top. Okay. So it will arm press me, which is fine. They only take 2 prizes. That's actually good. Okay. So go here. Top deck a barrel. Here. Here. Draw. Draw. There's one good. That is a good pull. Okay, we'll be able to knock this out. Let's go ahead and get this. Get my energies. Let's load up some energies. Here, 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 here. Have I used Greninja yet? Yeah, I did. So let's go here, add this. Let's Pokestop for another rare candy. Okay. So let's knock this Iron Hands out. 4 we got here. And we just need 1 prize. That's all we need. They don't have any energy acceleration, and we got a secondary Baxcalibur, which is good. We will be able to knock this out because we could we can Super Rod some energies back, Shivery Chill. So we do have the knockout they cannot take. If we cannot knock out Chien Pao here, we got the game. Okay, what are you going for? Yeah, we got the game. I think we got it sealed. I'm pretty, unless they can gust me up somehow. Okay, they don't. So they haven't played Prime Catcher, I don't think. Yeah, so they haven't played Prime Catcher, but they're gonna get their other Miraidon. Okay. 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 What are they gonna do? They Pokestop their boss. I think they're realizing they don't have a way to win. Good game, man. So knock this out for the game. All right, guys, we took our first round win. Against a Turbo Hands deck. That was a lot of fun. Good match my opponent. So we'll see. See what the next round brings us.